What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an ASAP Rocky type beat. And we're just going to break down the drum loop that I have right here and then talk about the melodies. It's really simple, especially with any beat that a rapper's going to get on. You want it to be mega simple, okay? That way there's enough room for the rappers to be on there. Simplicity is key, less is more a lot of the times, okay? So if we break this down, let's start with just the kick and the snare. You could use a clap or whatever, but we just got a kick and snare. A super simple pattern. We're in 150 BPM as well. Now if we bring in the percussion, this is just a little rim shot. And then now for the hi-hat, you can either do hi-hat with rolls or you don't have to have very many rolls in it. It's up to you. And then the 808 is pretty much just following the kicks, but leaving some spaces for the kick and some spaces for the 808. That's pretty much all you need for the drum loop. Now, when it comes to the melody, we're going to do something very simple. We're just going to throw an omnisphere and get some kind of gospel key type synthy sound. And we're just going to make a simple pattern. We're in C minor, so we'll keep it very simple. So I think we're going to try to work with this sound. This is Distant Traveler inside Omnisphere. It's under Keyscape Creative. So we're going to just start with the C minor chord and see what we can go with that. We're going to keep it very simple, like I said. Go in here and we might turn off the bass. We're at least going to turn it down inside Omnisphere. We can also Control A and Alt R and kind of randomize some of the velocity. Get down a little bit. Now all we need is some kind of flute or wind or something, and then that's pretty much it. Keeping it very simple, like I said. So let's just search flute up here. I know what we can do is we can kind of lay it out like something like this, and then with that flute we can have it actually come over for 16 bars, and then the last 8 of that 16 just bring it up an octave. Kind of just level it down. See how that sounds. Now with this flute, we can also kind of Control A on Alt R, just randomize it a little bit. Nothing too crazy. That's pretty much it, though. Other than arrangement and mix and master, that's pretty much it. This would be like an ASAP Rocky kind of Skepta type beat, and you would keep it very simple. Like I said, just you don't got to go super crazy when you're making tight beats like that. Just keep it very simple. So what I'm gonna do now is just arrange it and then mix and master it, and I'll play the full beat at the end. So if you want to listen to that, you can go ahead. But other than that, that's pretty much it with the video. So yeah, if this did bring you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.